Instagram has added a new feature that allows users to link related reels together so viewers can easily find the next part of a series or a follow-up to a previously shared reel. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to link reels together on Instagram. Now let's get started. To link reels together on Instagram, first ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. Then open Instagram and go to the reel you want the link to appear on. If this is a series, open the first reel in the series. Now tap the three dots and select Link a Reel. Now select the reel you want to link to. If this is a series, select the next reel in the series that you want your viewers to watch next. Now type in a title that will appear with the link. The button will say Watch, followed by your title. You could put Part 2 or what the video topic is about. This is limited to 15 characters, so you'll need to keep it short and sweet. Once you've added your link text, tap OK. Your chosen reel will then be linked at the bottom of the first video in your series. Repeat this process to link any subsequent reels in your series so your followers can easily find the next related reel to watch. That's all it takes to link reels in a series on Instagram. Want to learn how to use another new Instagram feature? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.